Students, today we will take discussion on the open book test on lesson number 14, that is algebraic formulae, expansion of squares. Solve the following and use the expansion formulas for it. So the question number first is here we have to solve this example. So here the first question is the 7x plus 3y bracket square. Here in this whole lesson inside we have to use the formulas. The first formula is a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Note down this one. Second formula that we have to use, a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third formula that we have to use is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so these three formulas are there that we have to use at the time of solving this example. So just note down these formulas. The first question is 7x plus 3y. 7x plus 3y bracket square, it means we have to use the formula that is a plus b bracket square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a square means 7x, a means 7x and b means 3y. So according to formula, just factorize this. A square means 7x bracket square plus 2 into a means 7x, b is 3y and plus b square means 3y brackets square. Okay, so 7 square is just solve this. 7 square is 49x square. Okay, plus we have to do the multiplication of this on. So 7 2 is 14 and 14 3 is 42 and xy we have to write here as it is. This is x and this is y. It's multiplication. X into y is equals to xy. So 7 2 is 14 and 14 3 is 42. Otherwise 7 3 is 21, 21 2 is 42. Okay, so here we got it. And 3 square is 9 and y square is y square. So that is the factorization of 7x plus 3y bracket square. Okay, let's solve the next example. Question number 2. A upon 3 and 2 upon b bracket square. Here also we have to use the same formula, that is a plus b bracket square. So here a upon 3 bracket square plus 2 into ab, 2 into a upon 3 into 2 upon b. Means a square plus 2ab and plus b square means 2 upon b brackets square. Okay, so let's solve the example. Here a square we have, right? By mistake I written here. So here this is the a square upon 9, a square upon 9 plus the multiplication of the numerator, that is 2 into a into 2. So 2 2s are 4a upon 3 into b, 3b plus 2 square is 4 and b square is b square. So a square upon 9 plus 4a upon 3b plus 4 upon b square is the factorization of this question. Okay, now we'll see the next question. Okay, so here in this example inside you will notice that here it is 64 plus 1 upon x square. Here this 64 is the square of 8. So it is the factorization of a square. Actually here by mistake I gave the wrong sign. Here we want the negative sign. Okay, so here 8 square minus 1 upon x brackets square. So it is the factorization of a plus a square minus a plus b and a minus b. So here we have to use the factorization of a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so here 8 square is the 64. Okay, sorry, 8 plus 1 upon x and 8 minus 1 upon x. In this way we have to solve this example. Okay, otherwise if you are taking the plus sign, actually I want to give that, but by mistake here given. So if you want to this is the factorization of this number. Now same thing, same it is there given here downside. Question is that 997 bracket square. Next question is the, so here 997 bracket square, its square you can find by the multiplication of 997 into 997. You can do the multiplication and you find its answer. But in this question inside we have to use what? Algebraic formulas. What we have to use? Algebraic formulas. So this example, how to solve? The nearest round figure, okay, is the 1000, is the 1000. So this means 1000 minus 3. 1000 minus 3 is the what? 997 and bracket square. Okay, as you know that you just do the, you just solve it by a minus b bracket square's factorization. A minus b bracket square factorization is a square, means 1000's square, minus 2 into ab, means 2 into 1000 into 3, plus b square, means 3's square. If you solve this, you will get the required answer. Okay, so all of you do the 1000 square and inside it just do the multiplication of these 3 and then add 3 square is the 9. You will get its required answer. So 1000 square is the how much? Okay, so here 10 lakh is the square of 1000. How I told you, 1 square you write and 3 zeros are there. Here give the double of 8 and the multiplication of this is the 6000 and 3 square is the 9. You just do the subtraction of this and just add 9 inside it. You will get the required answer. So you are going to solve this example. Here in question number 5, you will notice that here x upon 5, here it is 6 and here it is also 6 and here signs are different. So here we have to use the factorization of a square minus b square. Its back factorization is what? A plus b and a minus b. Okay, so here a plus b and a minus b means these two numbers, same numbers addition and subtraction is given here. So it is the factorization of this and so its answer is the x minus x upon 5 bracket square minus 6 square. It's a factorization. Okay, this is the example just now I told you, which we have to do this multiplication of this. For this also you have to use the what? Formulas, that is 702 into 600 what? 97. So here 702 means, so here if you do the subtraction of this, you will get answer 48,000 40 4,89,996. You will solve this, you will get this answer. Okay, bas. In this way, by using this formula, that is a plus a square minus b square, that is a plus b, means 700 plus 2 and 700 minus 2, you can solve this example without doing the multiplication, and I taught you this in the school. Now here next question is the p square minus q square. Here just only you have to use the formula a p square minus q square, means p plus q, p plus q, and here p minus q. Okay, now in the next example, 9x square minus 36y square. 9x square means 9 is the square of 3 and x bracket square minus 36 means 36 is square of 6y bracket square. Okay, so here again you got the factorization of a square minus b square, and its factorization is 3x plus 6y and 3x minus 6y. Okay, so just solve this example in this way. The question number next question is the 7x square minus 28y square. You will notice here 7 is not the square of any number, because here 9 is the square, 36 is square. We find it, we just taken square root and we solve this example. But here 7 and 28 are not the squares of any number. So such a type of example we have to check that what any common multiples are there. So 7 stable inside 28 is there. At what place? 4th place. So in this example we have to take out 4 as a common. What we have to do? We have to take 4 as a common number. Take out 4 common. Then if you take 7, you just take it outside the bracket. So 7 comes outside, so here remain x square minus 7 stable inside 28 is at what place? 4th place. 7 4s are 28 and y square. Okay, the next step is the 7 x square. Now 4 is the square of 2, so 2y bracket square. And now solve this example. Use the factorization of a square minus b square, that is one time you have to do the addition, x plus 2y and x minus 2y. Okay, so just solve this example in that method. Okay, now we will see the next question. The question is the 91 x square y square t. Here in these types of, it is a monomial. So when we have to factorize this, first of all find the factors of 91. 91's factors are 13 into 7. 13 into 7. 13 and 7 are the prime factors of the 91. We have to always take the prime factors of this number. If you are taking the composite numbers, then we have to again, it is not the factorization of that particular number. For example, if you are taking the 64, 64 means what? 8 into 8. But 8 is not a composite, it is not a prime number. So we have to factorize 8 again into 2 into 2 into 2, and 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. So this is the factorization of first 8 and this is the factorization of second 8. In this way, 2 is the prime factor. Same way we find here the prime factors of the 91 are 13 into 7. X square's factors are x into x. Y square's factors are y into y. And at last t is there. So here, right? So in this way we have to factorize the monomial. So today we finish this test, and I told you it is a revision of whole lesson, that is the algebraic expression formulas. So you just study the lesson also, solve the test and send me on my personal number. So today we are going to stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Okay.